Well, hi, I'm Tony. This is just a video that I feel like doing, so I'm kind of bored. Um, this is on my computer. I have a computer. It's awesome. Off the hook. Okay. Um, well, I'm gonna show you my dog. She's a fat doggy. This right here is my doggy. She is a good doggy. If she looks into the mic. Sophie, say hi. Wow! I gotcha. Sorry. I love my doggy. I have another one, but he's too fat and lazy. Yeah, so, I don't know how long I'm gonna make this video. My friend's upstairs. I wonder if he's making a video. But he's probably talking to his girlfriend, so. He's a gay one. He talks to his guy friends. So. Take comments because it's fun answering them. Well, I've never even got one yet on here. So, hi. I do the dish. Skill. Oh, so send comments and views. So, bye.